I want to thank everyone for coming out. Also, give it up for these students. They rehearse and practice, and we traveled hundreds of miles to get here. Give it up for the Eldorado High School Band program. And being on such a cool place, and to honor the heritage and honor our veterans and our country, we will conclude our performance with a medley of the Armed Forces songs. This is Armed Forces Salute, and if you're a member of the Armed Forces and your tune comes on, please stand and be recognized. And announcing that is our very own retired band director from Eldorado High School, also Army veteran, Mr. John Sings.
United States Army. United States Marine Corps. United States Air Force. United States Navy. Ladies and gentlemen, the Eldorado High School Band from Albuquerque, New Mexico, under the direction of Mr. Jordan Sayer, honoring the United States Armed Forces.